Welcome, everybody. Manifest Wealth 24/7 is what it is, and my name is Nikki D. All right, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about what this channel is about. All right, you have crossed the right platform. This channel is about everything in regards to manifesting your wealth, ways to make money from home, ways to become physically wealthy, mentally wealthy, and spiritually wealthy. Nothing is off the table here, all right? So if you're wanting to find some great ways to make money, all right, and manifesting your wealth in that manner, if you want to find ways to manifest your wealth mentally by getting your mental right, or even spiritually, I am here for it all, and I'm here to share everything that I know with you. And we will grow together, we will learn together, and you're going to see a lot of amazing stuff here. All right, so make sure that you stay tuned, stay plugged in, make sure you subscribe and share with others, and tell them Manifest Wealth 24/7 is where it's at.